This is Sandeep, 19 BCT 0091.
This is BVS Rohit, 19 BCT 0236.
Coming to the lab assessment 2, the question block transfer using system byte instruction. Coming to the introduction part, first of all, the file creation, we mount the C drive which contains program to local directory. Then we should shift control to the C drive. Then using edit block.asm, this file contains the assembly code for block transfer. Here we are initially setting up the source index register, which is the source of data of blocks. Then set the destination index register to store into the another block. Then set the data segment register and extra segment register to 000H by using MOV SB instruction. Then entire block is transferred from one location to another. We were taking the size of the block, then we set the counter register CX with the size. Until the CX register turns to 0, the data will be transferred. The algorithm used is first the set the value of offset SI equal to the source index register. After that, set the value of offset DI equal to destination index register. After that, load the value 0000 into register AX. After that, load the data of AX register into DS. After that, load the data of AX register into the ES. And after that, load the data of offset SI into CL register and load the value of 00 into CH register. And after that, we increment the value of SI by 1. And after that, clear the directional flag so that the data is read from the lower memory to higher memory location. After that, check the value of CX if not equal to 0, then repeat step 10, otherwise go to step 11. Transfer the data from source memory location to destination memory location and decrease the value of CX by 1. And finally, stop the execution. And Rohit will continue the remaining part.
Now, when we come to the code for the block transfer, we type edit block.asm to open the file, and in the file we just initiate the data segment. We initialize the data which we're going to provide. This is the source data, which is denoted by the variable s, which is the data type of data byte, which means 8 bits. And then it is we have given given 5 values, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in hexadecimal in a line. And then we create a destination who's also the same data type, data byte. And we create 5 locations because in the previous source also has 5 variables. So here we have created 5. Previous source has 5 values. So here we have 5 locations, 3 locations, and each will have 0. Now we end the data segment. Now we begin the code segment. We assume that CS is code and DS is the CS as code and DS is data. And then we move the data segment address to the AX register, and then the AX register contains to the data segment register, which means we have transferred the data segment address to the data segment register, and later we have moved the contents of the AX register into the ES register, which is the address of the first source, and then we shift the and then we move the using the command LEA, which will move the effective address of the source variable into the SI register, and then we move also the effective address of the destination variable into the DI register. After that, we move the value 05H into the CX register, and then we give the command clear direction, and then we give the command clear direction flag. Clear direction flag. After that, we give the command repeat the move string byte. Move SB stands for the move string byte. By this, what we do that what we are doing is, when CX is 5, when cx is not until cx becomes 0, the move sb will the whole command set from move es comma ax, everything will be repeated. Everything will be repeated again and again until cx is and cx is decremented each time until cx reaches 0. It will be repeated, so that first 02 will be moved, and then 03 value from the source will be moved to the destination. After that 04 will be moved, and then 05, and then later 06 will be moved. And then we type the exit command, that is int 3, and then we which is interrupt 3. After that we and then we type code ends, and then we end the start. This is the code. Now to execute we first send it to the assembler, that is by typing masm block dot file name, block file name. We hit enter 3 times. And then we type we link the object file block dot obj. We have linked the block file also, object file also. After that we type the debug. We run the program by typing the debug. This block dot executable. And then to start the code, we type the g command, and after that, to give the source and destination addresses, we use the d command, and we type 0. So the source address, as we can see, is in ax, which is the start, and then it is 076a, and it goes till and its segment is 0000. We hit enter. As we can see in this, the values in the as we can see in this, the values in the 076a 0000 have been moved. The 2 3 4 5 6 have been again repeated to 2 3 4 5 6 again, which this shows that the values the source values in 076a have been moved to the destination, which is follows in the 076a. And now we have this has with this program we can say that we have transferred successfully the various a block of strings from source to destination. Thank you.